Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a what I ate in a day video, or technically it's more than what I ate in a day because I've already gone to the next morning showing you guys what I ate pretty much. So it's gonna be a what I ate in a day and a half video. We are currently on the AT, on the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania. We're not doing a through hike, but we're simply hiking through, for the night or overnight. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to be showing you guys from the beginning, from what I ate before I left the house, on the way here, and then here, and this morning, and this afternoon, and you guys are going to be seeing all the good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys asked for a more vlogish, more entertaining type of what I ate in a day video, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy. First thing is, I totally forgot to buy bananas. I went food shopping yesterday, not just bananas, I forgot to buy, well, they didn't have any cucumbers, the little cucumbers, Persian cucumbers that I like, so I didn't get them, and they didn't even have like long cucumbers either, so, at the produce place, and then I totally forgot to buy avocado. So 3 very important things I forgot, or I didn't get, so I'm gonna have to go in a bit and get it. Maybe I'll get it at Walmart because I actually have to stop in there and grab some things because Chris and I are going on a hiking trip today. So some mango, a lot of mango, some spinach.
Yummy spinach.
Yummy spinach.
I love spinach.
I'm gonna do a sprinkle of some coconut palm sugar because I don't have banana. It's okay, you guys. I know you're like, whoa, that's a lot of sugar. This stuff is not even sweet. It smells really good, but it's really not sweet. Or it's barely sweet. And I'm just gonna add in some unsweetened almond milk instead of water, just because, I don't know, I like it makes it a little heartier. And then we blend.
Now that's enough.
Alright, that's a little more. Good. Alright, now we try it. That's some good stuff. It tastes like mango milk or something. So good. I'm packing up our hiking stuff, and right now I'm snacking on some raspberries. So just a little packet of raspberries. I'm just going to town with them. I'm really craving a salad, like ridiculously want a salad, and it's probably because I know I'm not gonna be able to have any like fresh stuff while we're out on the trail until tomorrow, maybe like afternoon or evening. So I'm definitely gonna eat a salad next, so you guys will see that. Alright guys, so I'm in the car and I didn't show you what I was making for lunch because I'm showing you now what I have. I had to whip it up really quick because we were heading out on our hiking trip. I have a salad with some lettuce. Actually, this is a, what is it called? Butter lettuce, I think it's called. Some avocado, some red onion, some green onion, some cucumber, tomato, the tahini dressing, which I'll link right up here for you guys. And yeah, a bunch of deliciousness. Oh, and I put some pepper. I hadn't had tahini sauce, or tahini, in a long time. Well, a long time for me is like 4 days. I had ran out. I've never gotten around to getting it. I got it again, and now it's like, my favorite dressing all over again. So we're actually heading now. We're going to be hiking overnight on the Appalachian Trail in PA. So it should be interesting. We've never been on the Appalachian Trail before, so yeah. We are, Chris and I, are hiking the AT, the Appalachian Trail, for the night. We're not doing like a through hike or anything. We're hiking from today to tomorrow, and we should be heading out sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. So basically we're doing about 13 miles, so we're gonna do half today, and then, oh god, there's so many spider webs, so many spider webs. So yeah, we're gonna do half today, call it a night, camp out, and then head back out later today, or later tomorrow. So we just stopped at our first view, and Chris is overlooking the, I think that's the Lehigh Valley, if I'm not mistaken. We got the binoculars going on. we got to this clearing, this opening here. We're like under this electrical tower. And over here, we keep passing people because it's a 13-mile trail, so it's pretty short. So there's a lot of people kind of camping around everywhere. And here's the view, even though I'm short, so you probably can't see anything. But yeah, it's nice to see a clearing when you're like walking through a bunch of trees and spider webs and stuff. This is what we're hiking up right now. This is our current situation.
So I'm here with my friend the millipede. As you can see, oh, I think I scared it. Now it's about to have a really tough time here crossing over, as you can see.
Not tough time at all.
Tough time.
When you have a million legs.
So he's on a mission.
1,000.
And they're not poisonous, right?
No.
So I can touch it, it'll be okay.
Yeah, but he's gonna curl up. Aw, is he slick?
Yeah, it's a pretty
smooth.
It feels like a piece of plastic, like a tube or something, or PVC pipe.
That's cool.
Touch it, what?
Oh.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
I'm gonna show my mom me touching the millipede. She's gonna freak.
Alright, it's going down under.
We just found another millipede. His friend here. So finding that millipede. Oh, oh, oh. I'm trying to talk to these guys over here, and I'm falling. Trying to. Oh no, another millipede! Right here. They're everywhere.
They are out.
This is Millipede Alley.
It's Saturday.
Be careful. Alright? Freaks come out at night. Freaks come out at night. No. Oh! I swear a bug just went in my mouth. No joke. It was cold. Weird. Anyways, so finding little weird things, little insects and bugs like that actually makes this boulder hiking a little more interesting, because going over all these boulders, not so good. Now I see why people call the AT trail, or part of the trail in PA, the ankle breaker. Now I see. This is why. I twist my ankle back there. Luckily it wasn't anything bad. This is what we're hiking past now. I'm starting to get a little hungry, and we're not going to be hiking for too much longer, I don't think. So we're going literally through these boulders. I can't show you us walking because, oh look, yeah, look at the valley. I can't show you us walking through it because I'll end up falling.
Crazy how it doesn't look as good on your phone.
Check out this guy. I can't get it to focus. So, we just got to our tent site. What we decided to do is, after we passed those boulders that you saw, that was like a good long stretch of those crazy, insane boulders. And we got to a point where we're like, okay, so where is the next tent site here? And since there was like nothing to be found after those boulders, but more boulders, we decided to go back over the boulders and head back so we could be closer to the car in the morning. So yeah, we found this awesome tent site. I'm going to show you guys the view. It's a really nice view. It's just like a lot of trees and a bunch of stuff all the way back there. Hopefully you guys can see. But so yeah, this is our tent site here. And we're gonna set up our tent back there because it's nice and flat. So anywho, yeah, we just got here. We're gonna set up the tent and I'm gonna start cooking up the food. I'll show you guys what we eat in a second. Yeah. Whew. I forgot to show you guys that I ate ready rice last night, and that's what I'm actually eating for breakfast again. So it is just like rice and red beans, and it has like a New Orleans flavor to it. And yeah, so that's what I'm eating, and it's like super easy to make. Yesterday we made it, we kind of like tried to steam it in the pouch, and it still came out a little bit hard. But since we're leaving today, I was like, I'll just cook it directly in the pot, and then I don't have to clean the pot. I'll just put it straight into the bear bag. But yeah, now I was able to cook it with a little bit of water in the pot, and it's a lot softer. So, good stuff. So yeah, this is what I had for dinner, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. And then I'll probably, oh, let me show you. This is the trail mix that I did. It's just like dried bananas, some white raisins, pineapple chunks, a lot of delicious stuff, and then I added a bunch of mixed nuts and peanuts and yumminess. Oh, and it has papaya. So this is what I'll be eating in a bit. So if I don't show you, this is it. It's easier to... Oh, and I wanted to slip in here real quick before we get back on the trail and let you guys know that I have a free ebook that you could download. The coupon code is FREE, all caps, FREE. You can put that on the promo code section to get it for free. You can also, if you like, to donate 99 cents to improve content quality here on Veggie Rose. You can do that too, and I would appreciate it. So far, we've had over 900 downloads, so if you guys have downloaded already, thank you so much. Also, if you guys have donated, thank you so much. I appreciate it. It means so much to us. And yeah, so I will leave the link down below so that you guys can download it if you like and share it so other people can see deliciousness as well. And yeah, there are 17 recipes on there that you guys need to check out, and they're so good. It's all convenient on your phone, on your tablet, whatever. Real simple and easy for you to get to. So I hope you guys enjoy that too. Link down below. There's something for me about coming out into nature that like recharges my batteries and makes me feel so good and just kind of like resets everything. So right now I'm working on the new ebook that I have coming out hopefully in October. It's like the holiday Christmas ebook that I really want you guys to have with all new recipes. But yeah, that's not what this is about. So basically what I'm trying to say is I've been working so hard on that, and I just wanted to get out and just get with nature and get my mind straight and just clear without any electronics or any distractions from the city. And there's no service out here most of the time whenever you go like on hikes, so it's easier to kind of like get rid of all that energy and stuff. So I love it. It's just awesome. You guys have to try it. Have you guys gone hiking, on hiking trips, and do you guys go camping? Let me know what your favorite outdoorsy thing to do is. I love to go camping, hiking, biking, kayaking, all the ings. So what do you like to do? So that's it, you guys. I'll probably be eating some trail mix in a bit. But you guys already saw the trail mix that I'll be eating, so you know what I'll be eating when I eat it. And yeah, so we're actually just walking back to the car now. Should be about 45 minutes to an hour to get there. Lots of climbing over rocks and boulders and stuff. So I'm not gonna be recording too much of that because I don't want to slip and fall. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this type of video, and if you guys would like to see more, give it a thumbs up. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.